How to use the whiteboard in Zoom. Zoom has a lot of features that encourage collaboration and productivity during meetings and class sessions, and one of these is the whiteboard feature. It's super quick and easy to begin using and may be helpful to you in the future. So to use your whiteboard, you first want to join your Zoom meeting. And once there, you want to look to your toolbar at the bottom of your screen and click Share Screen. Once you click that, a few options appear of what to share on your screen, and one of those options is the whiteboard. This is what you want to select to begin using your whiteboard feature. And once you have that selected, click Share. Your whiteboard screen then appears, and this is visible to both you and the other meeting attendees. You can then begin annotating on the screen to demonstrate something for other meeting attendees, or you can use text to take notes, or you can use other features as well, such as stamp, spotlight. You can erase things, change the formatting, and clear all of the drawings. The default setting of this whiteboard is that all attendees in the Zoom meeting will have access to drawing on this whiteboard. This encourages collaboration and allows you to go back and forth and make notes as you like. Sometimes this can get a little bit confusing if everybody's doing things at once, so you can change the settings of your whiteboard to accommodate this. To do that, hover over your sharing screen bar so that all of the options appear at the top of your screen, and on the right-hand side, select the three dots for more. You'll then see a few options from the drop-down, which includes Disable Attendee Annotation. This disables anybody else from using the whiteboard and only allows them to view what you are annotating on the whiteboard. Unfortunately, you can't disable the annotation for certain members and leave it enabled for others. You either have to disable it for everybody or leave it enabled for everybody. A good alternative for this, if you want to leave it enabled for everybody, but keep it clear of who made the contribution, is show names of annotators. Anytime somebody makes a note or a drawing, their name will be beside the annotation so that it's clear who made the contribution. If you want to save the notes and annotations that your team has made to the whiteboard, you can just click Save in the whiteboard toolbar, and it will be saved to your desktop. Once you're done using the whiteboard, all you have to do is click Stop Share in the sharing toolbar, and the whiteboard will be disabled. And that's how to use the whiteboard feature in Zoom. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.